is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one that came out of a Zenpop box. Go to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. Does this look familiar to you? Yeah, so this is Myojo Ippei-chan Karaage Syoyu. So basically, you might know the Ippei-chan yakisoba. Well, apparently there's a whole range of different Ippei-chan products, and I had no freaking clue. Now I know, and you know too. But this is like fried chicken flavor. So sounds fascinating. So that's what we're gonna do today. I tell ya, and it's what I tell you. So, got big news. I'll get to that momentarily. Let's pour in our liquid water. Not frozen. Perfect. Look at that. And I'm going to push it down a little bit. Let's start our timer. And it has started. It's snowing. It happened. It's here. It is weathering outside, not wuthering. What is a wuthering height? I don't know. I probably would know if I read the book. I don't read a lot of books. I'm like Scotty from Star Trek. I like to catch up on my technical manuals, and that's about it. But yeah, bad eyes, you know, it doesn't really end up making you feel like doing a lot of reading. I like literature though. But yeah, there's snow out there. You wanna see? You wanna go look at the snow? Let me see how much juice that phone has. It's like 62%. Yeah, let's look at the snow. Why not? My children are excited. Ooh, Christmas. And look at that. Ooh. Yeah. There's snow about. Buses are running. It looks like there's a bunch of snow, but you know what the deal is? It's not sticking to the street. So that makes things easier as far as going to school. And oh, here's what I made. This is my annual addition to the Christmassy stuff. I do that every year. Yeah, you know. It's that time of year when things happen and there's stuff and you spend way too much money. Hey. But yeah, fried chicken instant noodles sound kind of weird. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I think I need to shut off the holy slicer. Yeah, that machine, I tell you what. I'll show you. I'll show you. So this is the holy slicer. And it's basically a machine. You pull this up and you can turn it on like you heard it, and then you feed through spring onions. And then you get spring onions that look absolutely spectacular. Look at that. Nice thin sliced spring onion. The faster you run it through that thing, the larger the pieces, and the slower, the smaller they are. So now you know. And I'm planning on going out walking in the rain. Oh, crudito. Let's see. I actually have to do something real quick. I have to stop planting flowers. Yeah. I play this game. It's like it's a nice pedometer. You get to walk around and look at junk and come on. There you go. But yeah, it's called Pikmin Bloom, and I've never played Pikmin. I guess it's a Nintendo game. But this one is all based on doing lots of walking. Check me out. I'm level 88. Yeah. Yeah. So if you play Pikmin Bloom, you can add me. Actually, if you don't play it, I'm hoping you can see that code. But that code will make it so I get something if you play it. And I think it's for Android and iPhone. You just put your phone in your pocket and go walk around, and you can get these weird little characters and junk, and it's fun. It's worthwhile. I recommend it. But yeah, let's switch back to our monitoring thing. There we go. And we are almost ready to enjoy the flavor of a freshly cleaned spoon. Actually, I got a fork. One. There we go. So, let's see what we got here with our Karaage. Karaage? I think it's Karaage. Fried chicken instant noodle. Looks like a lot of chicken chunks in here. Here is one of the pieces of chicken. Look at that. Yeah. Oh, dude, that's good. It tastes like fried chicken. The noodle. Huh? And there is our shoyu broth. So my thoughts on this one is that it's pretty good. I wasn't sure what I would have to say about such a thing, but yeah, that works. Huh? Who'd have thunk that fried chicken instant noodles could be good? Whoever designed it, I suppose, thought that. Okay, so let's try to keep our fried chicken bits in a little central locale so they can be more easily seen. There we go. And I'm going to get rid of some of this noodle so we can see more of the broth. I want this to look nice. The noodle's good, but it's so stark, and I like to have contrast going on. Try a little more noodle. I like the chicken, I gotta say. The chicken is neat. It tastes like fried chicken. It's a little soggy, but it's not like horribly so. It's good. Take some of our holy slicered spring onion there. And I know it's chicken, but I think, yeah, we'll do this. I don't have a pair of scissors on me right here. Here we go. So you might have seen the outro of me making Narutomaki slices. There it is. And sesame. And maybe a dash of shichimi. Right. There. All right. Well, that was a nice way to start the day. Yesterday, the first one I had was absolutely horrible. So I am thrilled to have something that's pretty good after yesterday's horrors. Oh my God. That's so loud. That's freaking loud. I don't want any. I think I know what that is. I think that's the school. So after this episode, I will have to do something about that. But here, let's spin. Cool, well thanks for watching. The next one you're gonna see is this Vite Ramen. It is a cup, but I sliced up the cup, and I guess kinda I shouldn't have. At least it says what the amount is. This is their garlic pork tonkatsu version 3. Really looking forward to it. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramenator, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.